Hi, let's solve next question of linked list. It was asked in 2017, set 1. It is a 1 mark question. So let's read the question. Consider the C code fragment given below. So one C code is given. Assume that M and N point to valid null terminated linked list. Invocation of join will. So null terminated linked list means last node link path is null. Okay, but here it is not specified anything that M may be null or N may be null. It is not specified anything. It's just written कि it is a null terminate linked list. So let's go through the code. So here type div struct node in data node pointer next then node. So this is just a self-referential structure for node. Then void gen node pointer m node pointer n. So two pointer are there. One is m pointer and another is n pointer. Then node then star p equal to n means p pointer assigned to n. So there are two linked list. One linked list is n, another linked list is m, and pointer p that assigned to n. P next is not equal to null. So p may be null, but p next is not equal to null means at least one value is given, and p equal to p next. So it will assign whatever the p next that will assign to p, and so like in this statement it will just traverse the node. It just traverse the linked list n. So p equal to p next, then p equal to p next till it will last, and last p next will be null, so it will stop at last p. Then p next equal to m. So p there will be, so last one will be null, so that will be point to m. So here mn are valid list but not specified whether it is empty or not. So there are two cases. Case 1, if list are not null. So if list are not null, invocation of join will append list m to the end of the list n. So let's say example, suppose n is 1 2 3 then null, then m is 4 5 6 null. So here p equal to p next, p equal to p next. So here initially p will point to this, then p will come to this, then p come to this. So after this here p next is null, so that p next will be m means 3 next will be 4. So after join operation it will be 1 2 3 4 5 means it will just append the list m to list n. So this is when list are not null, but when it is null, so if the list is empty or itself null, then joining reference should to create null pointer issue. So answer will be B, either cause a null pointer dereference or append list m to the list n. So just see through the example, like this is a linked list. So here it is a n and last is null. So and another linked list is this. This is a m. Okay, so initially p is this and p next is not equal to null means this is not equal to null. So then p equal to next p next, so p will come here, then p equal to p next, p will come here, then p next equal to m means here it was null, so it will point to this. So it just append the two lists. So this is a list m, this is a list n, it will just append the two list. I think you guys are clear. Okay, if you have still any doubts, just ask me in comment. Thank you.